Welcome to an overview of the Inventory app. First, how does the Inventory app help you? One, you can generate barcodes and RFID labels for better tracking. Two, you can get faster stock inventory counts for one or multiple stores. Three, you can see real-time updates for tracking shipments. So let's go over the commands for the inventory system. I'm going to first touch on the stores on the second row, and you'll see that you can have multiple stores. You can see the location. If you go into a particular store, if you touch, I'm going to touch the parts button down at the bottom, I can see the inventory at that particular store. And then what you can do is, I'm going to go to this swipe and go to the second screen. You'll see some of the inventory commands. You have the ability to do a pick list. What the pick list does is that you can have the warehouse people will go and take the items that are required for a specific invoice, find where they're located. The system will show them where the aisle, the bay, the shelf, where it's located. They scan it onto a tote and take it over to shipping. And in the shipping command, what you do is you're going to pick a particular invoice that is ready for shipment. You'll scan the tracking ID, the carrier, destination location, and the system will then talk with the shipping carriers. We support FedEx, DHL, UPS, and USPS. And you can track when it gets to the destination store in real time. And then when you receive items, you're going to receive against a purchase order. And you fill out you scan the items, and if it's from a purchase order, what you'll do is you'll scan the items and you can create regular barcode labels or you can create RFID labels. RFID labels provide you faster stock counts and also area tracking. Now the move command is this one over here. This is when you're within the warehouse. You can use a Bluetooth scanner and you can scan the items, the location where they're going to go to, and that way you have real-time tracking when you move within the warehouse. You can also use it to move from store to store. The stock count gives you the ability to see and do an inventory for a particular store. You can use a scanner, or you can use the keyboard that will pop up when you do the stock count for that particular item. And then the two other items that we have are, I'm going to swipe and go back, the checkout and check-in. And that's used when you have an invoice where you have a zero value. Perhaps you're charging for the service. So what you would do is you would check out the items and then it would be checked out to a person. And then the reverse, when the person returns those items, you scan the items and you scan the location where you're going to go to. What's your return on investment? Since the inventory stock counts can be done over the web, you get faster access to inventory levels at all your stores. Two, you're not going to have any more lost inventory at receiving inside the store when you ship items to a customer. And three, if you use the hosted solution, there's no expensive hardware cost or all the computer support costs, so you can focus on your business. Thanks for watching, and please contact us if you have more questions or you'd like to see a detailed demo.